Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make color distortion for text effect in CapCut. So first you can go to media and to library, and I'm just going to add black screen and just going to text or default text to add the text, and you can change for text. And change for font style, font color, and it is for position and size. So after drawing, select the clips, right click and create component clip, and go to effect, select color distortion. So in trending you can find for effect, and this is new from CapCut. Have to join proper to be able to test this effect. So see the final result. So you can adjust for the atmosphere, blur, color, swings, close up and etc. And see again. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, just type in the comment section below. Thank you so much.